In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a custom pixel-size PowerPoint. This is perfect if you want to design content for social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, banners, digital ads, or any project that requires exact image dimensions. Let's begin by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Once PowerPoint is open, either create a new presentation or open an existing one you want to resize. Next, go to the Design tab located at the top of the screen. This section allows you to customize the appearance and layout of your presentation. On the right side of the toolbar, click on Slide Size. A small menu will appear with different options. From that menu, select Custom Slide Size. A new window will open where you can enter your preferred slide dimensions. Here, you can set the width and height for your presentation based on the size you need. If you're working with specific pixel dimensions, simply convert them to inches before entering them into PowerPoint, since PowerPoint uses inches by default for slide sizes. After entering your custom dimensions, click OK. PowerPoint may ask whether you want to maximize the content or ensure it fits properly inside the new slide size. Choose Ensure Fit to keep everything aligned and visible. Now, your presentation is resized and ready for custom designed content. You can add text, images, icons, shapes, or any design elements you want directly onto the slide. Once your design is complete, it's time to convert the slide into an image. Click on File, then choose Save As. Select the location where you want to save the file, and under File Type, choose either PNG or JPEG image format. After saving, PowerPoint will ask whether you want to export just the current slide or all slides. Pick the option that works best for your project. Your PowerPoint slides will now be saved as image files that you can upload, share, or use anywhere online. Using PowerPoint this way is a simple method for creating professional graphics without needing advanced design software. And that's it. You now know how to create a custom pixel-sized PowerPoint presentation and convert it into an image. And that's how you can turn PowerPoint into a powerful design tool for creating custom graphics and visuals. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.